Today, I'm going to show you how to easily integrate Asana and Notion. So every time you move a task in Asana, a page is automatically created for you in Notion, saving time, keeping your information synchronized, and turning your workflows into a seamless process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have an automation set up so you never have to manually bounce between these tools just to keep things organized. Let's get started. First, we're going to jump into Asana. Go ahead and open the project you want to work with. Along the top, you'll see the Customize button. Clicking that brings up a side menu where you can tweak all kinds of settings. But for our purposes today, we're looking for the Rules section. This is where you tell Asana to do something automatically based on a trigger. Think of it like teaching Asana to respond whenever something specific happens in your project. A bit like setting up a domino effect. One action leads to another, with no manual effort needed from you. When you're inside the Rules area, you'll notice there's a gallery of possible integrations and automations. Scroll through until you spot Notion. This is the key link that allows the two apps to talk to each other directly. Selecting Notion lets you create a custom rule, so Asana knows exactly when and how to create new pages in your Notion workspace. Now, to make the connection between the two apps, you'll need to authenticate. Don't worry, this is pretty straightforward. You might see a prompt to connect to Notion. Click it, and you'll be guided through a secure login flow. It's sort of like giving permission for Asana and Notion to share data safely, much like lending your friend a spare key so they can water your plants while you're away. Just follow the prompts and select the workspace or pages in Notion you want to work with. If you're not seeing the Notion workspace you want, it probably means you'll need to grant access, which takes just a few clicks. Here's where you get to decide what content gets created and when. On the rule creation screen, you can configure Asana to automatically whip up a new Notion page when a particular trigger happens, like a task being moved to a new section. For instance, let's say you have a Ready for Research section in Asana. Every time a task lands there, you can set the rule so Asana instantly builds out a new Notion page, ready for you to add notes, links, or any other deep dive data you need. Why is this helpful? Well, it eliminates the messiness of having to switch apps and manually copy details every time you update a task. It's kind of like having an assistant who's always looking out for those moments when you need new documentation, and who does the paperwork for you without being asked. Take a moment here to review the settings and make sure the correct project sections and Notion pages are selected. If you're not sure, don't stress. These rules can be edited anytime. You might also want to run a quick test. Move a task in Asana to your chosen section, pop over to Notion, and see if a page appears as expected. If it doesn't, double-check the permissions or refresh both apps. Sometimes the connection needs a moment to sync, especially right after setup, and that's it. You've officially automated the bridge between Asana and Notion. Every time your workflow advances in Asana, Notion will keep up without you lifting another finger. With this integration, you're free to focus on the work itself instead of the logistics. If this tutorial helped smooth out your workflow between Asana and Notion, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions, if something didn't work quite right, or if you want tips for more advanced automations, leave a comment below. I love helping out, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!